When you need help, when you're out of options, and you need your voice heard, better call 4.
They said it would be sealed. So to find out that this other property management were able to see it, I was like, what?
A Columbus woman was kicked out of her East Side apartment during the pandemic, but through the court had that eviction sealed, or so she thought. Why was that eviction still visible? She called Better Call 4, and I went to the court to find out.
Hall says she lived in her East Columbus apartment for nearly 15 years before new management took over in late 2021 and told her to leave.
They wanted myself and another tenant to move out in 45 days. They told us that they were going to change it into a B&B.
Hall says she packed up and moved out within those 45 days, but
I still got a notice to appear in court saying I was being evicted.
Hall appeared in Franklin County Municipal Court and as she was leaving spoke with a representative from the court's self-help center.
They had like a pop-up shop for people who are coming out of the courtroom who's being evicted.
To have their eviction sealed, essentially removed from their records.
I was under the understanding that this would not be seen anytime I applied for any apartment or anything. Yes.
But Hall says that wasn't the case because when she applied for an apartment, she was denied and says the management company told her it was because she had an eviction on her record. That's when Hall called Better Call 4.
We were founded in 2016 kind of as a solution to Ohio's access to justice problem. Most of what we do is housing and evictions work.
Robbie Southers is the managing attorney for the Municipal Court Self-Help Center. He says there are eviction prevention coordinators in place outside of eviction court.
That way, the second they walk out of court, they get the help they need.
That includes record sealings, which Southers says can be complicated.
The challenge is there's no state law that allows for actual sealing.
Southers explained it this way.
So if you think about a criminal record sealing or expungement, there's a state law that tells us exactly what can be sealed and what can't. If that's sealed, then it's an order from the judge telling third parties that they have to remove those records as well. With eviction removal, there is no state law, so the court doesn't have as much authority.
In layman's terms, sealing an eviction through the Self-Help Center means it will not be seen in court records. But if a third-party rental background check company already has an eviction posted,
there's nothing requiring them to remove it from their records.
Which Southers says is likely what happened in Hall's case. I asked Southers if anything can be done for her or anyone else who's been evicted.
And occasionally those companies will remove that from their records if you dispute it with them. We know it's not a perfect solution, but we want to do the best we can given what laws we have to work with.
So Southers says the Self-Help Center does make people aware of the issues around record sealing, but understands it's an emotional time. A lot of information is involved. He also says the court not able to advocate for law change, so it is up to lawmakers to get something on the books.